to Ocho Rios, Jamaica. We are at the Moon Palace Resort, so we just checked in and we don't have any plans for the rest of the day. We're just gonna relax, eat some food, and yeah, so let's do a little room tour. We are in room 21502, and here's something I love about the Moon Palace. You have a wristband. It acts as your room key. So here we go. As you can see, our luggage just got in right away. We have a closet with hangers, robes, ironing board, a safe, and slippers. There's that. Look in the bathroom now. Hey everyone. Looks like we've got some cheap body products. And a spa amenity box. Let's see what's in here. Bathroom toiletry amenities. Skincare bar. We have cheap products in there as well. Shower, then separate room for the toilet. So heading back out. This is a corner ocean view. So TV, 2 beds. There's Mia. And then here's the view. So, walk out here. There you go. There's a look at the resort. Balcony next door. Out over in that direction. Walk back towards the inside. There's a chair and table out here. There you go. That is the Moon Palace in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. And we have a lot of fun things that we're planning to do on our trip here, so follow along.